so here is the before of my model, and here is me now getting started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is remove all of the bulk, weight, and length off of the sides and back. We're going to take the sides and back quite short, and we're going to leave a little bit more length on the top. So what I'm doing right now is simply taking my clippers, and as I work my way in an upward motion, I will flick the clippers in an outward motion so that it makes it easier to blend the sides into the top later. So I'm going to work my way around the head, removing all of the bulk, all of the weight, all of the length through the sides and back. Now that I've removed all of the weight and the length off the sides and back, it is time to now clean up the hairline. So I've got my trimmers in my hand, which obviously takes the hair much shorter than the clippers do. And so I'm going to work my way around the front hairline, around the sideburn, around the ear, down to the back of the neck, and then just work my way around to the other side of the head. to incorporate and blend in the top with the sides and back. So as you can see, I removed the clips that were holding the top of the hair up and away from the sides and back. So now that I've removed the clips, the top is hanging over the sides and back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to blend in the sides and back with the top, taking sections, cutting the hair through my fingers using the scissors. Now I am going to cut the top of the haircut. And I'm going to layer the top by simply taking sections across the top and working my way from the crown up to the front of the head. And I'm just going to take each section, comb it upwards, and layer up the top. Now, just to finish off the haircut, I decided to take my clippers and work my way around the outline one last time, just to soften the outline up a little bit more. So, originally we went through the outline utilizing the trimmers, which takes the hair nice and short. I can cut all the neck hair off of the neck, cut the sideburn hair off, but now I'm taking the clippers to soften the outline just a little bit more so it's more of a smooth, blended outline. So we have wrapped up the haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I want to thank you so very much again for watching.